Hello! Today I'll be demonstrating how to find the greatest common factor using prime factorization. The greatest common factor is the biggest number that divides evenly into each number in a given set of numbers. For my first example, we will be finding the greatest common factor between 12 and 8. We are going to use a factor tree for each number. 12 factors into 3 times 4. We are done with the 3 because it is prime. 4 factors into 2 times 2, and then you can't go any farther with 2, so we'll circle those also. So 12 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3. Now we will factor 8. 2 times 4 equals 8. Circle the 2, you're done with that. 2 times 2 equals 4. So we'll circle those. So then 8 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. Now we are going to circle the numbers that are in common with both 12 and 8. So we have a set of 2's, so we'll circle that. And then again, there's another set of 2's in common, so we're going to circle those as well. The greatest common factor is the product of the numbers in common. So in this case, we're going to take 2 times 2, and that will give you 4. So the greatest common factor of 12 and 8 is 4. Now I'm going to show you another example, and we will use 18 and 21. Again, we are going to use a factor tree and factor each number into the product of its primes. 18 is equal to 2 times 9. We'll circle 2, we're done with that. 9 factors in to 3 times 3, and we're done with those. Because they are both prime numbers. So then 18 is equal to 2 times 3 times 3. Then we're going to do 21. 21 is equal to 3 times 7. And these are both prime numbers, so that is as far as you can go. So 21 is equal to 3 times 7. Now we need to find those factors that are in common between those that multiply to be 18 and those that are factors of 21. 3 is the only factor that is in common, so we're going to circle a set of 3's. So since there's only one set, you don't have to multiply anything, so the greatest common factor of 18 and 21 is 3. It is important to know how to find the greatest common factor because it is used all the time with fractions and simplifying them. Using prime factorization makes the process a lot faster, and it is easy to go back and check your work with this method. Thank you.